Have you ever wondered what lies beyond our own galaxy, in the farthest reaches of the universe? As we gaze up into the night sky, our curiosity fuels a relentless journey to understand the cosmos. Space exploration is our vehicle in this quest, and space telescopes serve as our eyes, peering into the mysteries of the universe. They bridge the gap between the known and the unknown, revealing celestial secrets that our naked eyes could never perceive. One instrument at the forefront of this cosmic exploration is the James Webb Space Telescope. The journey of the James Webb Space Telescope begins on Earth, with its conception and construction. It's a tale of human ingenuity and perseverance, as scientists and engineers embarked on a mission to build the most powerful space telescope ever conceived. In the planning stages, countless challenges were faced. How do you design a telescope that can withstand the harsh conditions of space? How do you ensure it can capture light from galaxies billions of light-years away? These were just a few of the questions that had to be answered. The technology used to overcome these challenges was nothing short of groundbreaking. The telescope features a massive, gold-coated primary mirror designed to collect more light than any previous space telescope. And its sophisticated suite of scientific instruments promises to unlock new insights about the universe. But building the telescope was only half the battle. It had to be meticulously tested and retested to ensure it could survive the rigors of launch and the harsh environment of space. It was a process that took years, but eventually, after all the trials and tribulations, the James Webb Space Telescope was ready for launch. Lifting off on Christmas Day in 2021, the James Webb Space Telescope embarked on an unprecedented journey. A journey that would take it 1,000,000 miles away from Earth, to a place known as the Second Lagrange Point, or L2. Here, it would be perfectly positioned to observe the cosmos without interference from Earth's atmosphere or light pollution. The telescope's voyage was not without its challenges. It had to endure the extreme conditions of space, where temperatures can vary dramatically, and where even the tiniest speck of dust can cause damage. But the engineers and scientists who designed and built the Webb had thought of everything. Upon reaching its destination, the telescope began a complex process of unfolding and deploying its components. This included the deployment of its giant sunshield, a 5-layered, tennis court-sized structure designed to protect Webb's delicate instruments from the sun's heat and light. This sunshield is so effective that it can reduce the temperature between its hot and cold sides by nearly 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Next came the deployment of Webb's mirrors. The telescope's primary mirror, composed of 18 hexagonal segments coated in a thin layer of gold, was unfolded and adjusted to form a perfect parabolic shape. This mirror, with a diameter of over 21 feet, is the largest ever launched into space and is designed to collect even the faintest light from the most distant stars and galaxies. All these processes were carried out autonomously, with the telescope following pre-programmed instructions. Every deployment was a critical moment, with teams on Earth holding their breath until they received confirmation of success. The slightest error could have spelled disaster, but Webb performed flawlessly. With its sunshield deployed and its mirrors perfectly aligned, Webb began to cool down and prepare for its mission. This cooling down period was necessary to ensure that the telescope's own heat did not interfere with its observations. There, the James Webb Space Telescope stands ready to unlock the mysteries of the universe. With its powerful instruments and strategic location, it has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the cosmos, from the formation of the first galaxies to the conditions on distant exoplanets. In its short time in space, the James Webb Space Telescope has already made significant contributions to our understanding of the cosmos. This colossal eye in the sky, stationed at the edge of our constellation, has been instrumental in confirming the existence of new celestial bodies and refining our understanding of cosmic phenomena. One of the most notable of these discoveries is the exoplanet LHS 475b, an Earth-sized body situated a staggering 41 light-years away. Not only has Webb confirmed its existence, but it has also given us tantalizing hints about its composition. The telescope's observations suggest that this distant world may boast a rocky surface much like our own, and temperatures that are warmer than Earth's. With the Webb's unprecedented capabilities, we are studying the planet's atmosphere further, hoping to unlock more of its secrets. But that's not all. The Webb has also captured images of a dusty disk around the star Au Mike. These images are shedding light on the process of planet formation, helping us understand how these celestial bodies come into being and evolve over time. And this is just the beginning. With every passing moment, the James Webb Space Telescope is peering deeper into the cosmos, uncovering phenomena that were once beyond our reach. It's a testament to human curiosity, our desire to explore, and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. As we gaze into the cosmos with the eyes of the James Webb Space Telescope, who knows what wonders await us? With every new discovery, we are opening up new worlds, expanding our cosmic horizons, and getting closer to answering some of the most profound questions about our universe. The journey of the James Webb Space Telescope is more than a story of technological achievement. It's a tale of human curiosity, a testament to our insatiable desire to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. Every exoplanet it uncovers, every star it maps, brings us one step closer to understanding our place in the universe. It's not just about the distant galaxies and unknown phenomena, it's about us, about understanding our origins and pondering our destiny. As we continue to explore the universe, we are reminded of our own smallness, and yet, our incredible potential to understand the vast cosmos that surrounds us.